Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
How to create a loyalty program for your nail salon with Thryv. Are you a nail salon owner struggling to keep clients coming back? You know how hard it is to turn one-time visitors into loyal regulars. Today, I'm going to show you how Thryv can help you create a loyalty program that keeps clients booking, spending, and referring your salon, without the manual effort. Many salons rely on word of mouth and occasional promotions to retain clients. But the reality? Clients forget appointments, promotions get lost, and repeat visits drop. This leads to slower growth, lost revenue, and a lot of frustration. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Log into your Thryv dashboard, navigate to the Marketing tab, then select Loyalty Programs. Step 2. Create a new program. Click Add New Program, and give it a name like VIP Nails Club or Frequent Polish Rewards. Step 3. Set the reward rules. Decide how clients earn points. Maybe 1 point per $1 spent, or a free service after 5 visits. Step 4. Customize notifications. Set automated emails or SMS to notify clients when they earn points, redeem rewards, or have upcoming specials. Step 5. Launch and promote. Share the program with your clients through your client portal, email, text messages, or social media. Watch as your clients start engaging and returning more frequently. With Thryv, loyalty programs are fully automated, meaning you spend less time tracking points and more time focusing on your salon. It's smart, simple, and keeps your clients happy. If you want to grow your nail salon, increase repeat visits, and simplify client retention, start using Thryv today. Click the link in the description to set up your automated loyalty program now.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.